gusto ko laging sabihin sa ating mga kababayan na maging mapagmasid, maging matalino sa pag-assess ng mga information. Napakadami yung fake news, no? Kahit na napakaklaro ng order na hindi dinidismiss, pilit pa rin sinasabing dinidismiss. Napakaklaro ng order na habang pinapasagot ang Kamara de Representantes, pinapasagot din po yung defendant. Noong June 23, huling araw nung pagsusumite ng answer na ayon sa ating Rules of Procedure on Impeachment Trials, naghain na po yung at nagsumite yung grupo ni Vice President Sara Duterte at yung kanyang legal team, yung kanilang answer, yung tinatawag na ad cotelam bilang tugon po dun sa articles of impeachment. Noon naman pong Biyernes, June 27, nagsumiti naman po yung House Prosecution Panel ng kanila pong reply doon sa answer ni VP Sara Duterte. Today, earlier this morning, we have received from the Senate Clerk of Court yung distributed copies of the documents to the senator judges. So itong panahon pong ito, bago pa man magsimula ng opisyal ang ating ika-20th Congress, meron na po kami ng mga dokumento at mga pwedeng gawin na aralin na mga isinumite po sa amin. Ang para sa akin lang po, sa ating mga kasamahan dito sa Senado, and you and I know very well from day one that I have been calling for senator judges na conduct themselves as senator judges talaga, di ba? So, yun yung importante po, wala tayong kilingan, kasi whatever the decision will be, I also believe na mas importante na yung tama yung proseso, tama po yung pag-assess at pag-implement at pagtugon namin dito sa impeachment proceedings rather than doon sa whether dismissal or acquittal. Yun ang tingin ko na mas importante. Walang kinikilingan at wala pong pinapaboran. Para po sa akin, and I can speak for myself, ang magiging basehan ng ating boto ay pagpresenta ng ebidensya dito sa impeachment court.
Senator, sa isang interview po kay Senator Lacson, sinabi po niya na nakakatawa daw po ang posisyon ng ilang mga senador natin dahil sa hindi daw po ata akma ng isang senator judge ay mag-propose ng dismissal. Lalo pa po parang lumalabas na impeachment trial na ayaw mag-trial. So, dinagdag pa po dito, ilang po mga legal luminaries kagaya po ni na Dean Aquino ng San Beda, nag-raise po sila ng possibility na in case daw po na tumungo doon sa dismissal ang magiging aksyon ng ilang mga senador at sakali pong mangyari daw to, magre-raise daw po sila ng kaso like yung dereliction of duty and graft and corruption. Paano niyo po ito haharapin? And ano po yung inyong what are your thoughts on this?
Ginagalang ko at nirerespeto ang posisyon at opinion ng ating mentor din, Senator Ping Lacson, who will be part of the 20th Congress, while I'll also respect the opinions of other senator judges. That is their position. I can only speak for myself. Ang position ko ay nasa talaan ng record ng Senado. Sa simula pa lamang na ito ay maging motion, I objected to it. Because we are not in a court, we are conducting ourselves as a legislative body. At nung na-convene yung court, inobjectan ko po ulit at nandun pa rin po sa talaan ng ating records yung aking objection. And also because stating the fact that the provision of the Constitution is very clear that our job is to try. And we try, and when we're trying itong impeachment as an impeachment court, that's the only time we would decide whether to dismiss or acquit. So yun po yung aking posisyon.
Parang sinagot na rin ni Senator. So, ibig sabihin pa po, Senador na tumayo para mag-file ng motion to dismiss the articles of impeachment.
Nimfay, you have
against
known
it.
me for quite a long time, and I've been consistent with my my position. In fact, nung lumabas nga yung spliced video against me at marami nagsasalita, hindi po alam nung taong bayan na kausap ko po kayo dun sa gilid. Kaya nung sinasabing may tinatago, paano kayang tinatago? Kausap ko yung media nun. In fact, noong nag-motion, kayong members of the media na nandun sa left side, nagtinginan kayo sa akin dahil sinabi ko sa inyo that I will object if there will be a motion. And true enough, few seconds, tumayo po ako to object. Hindi po ba? So I'll be saying that I will be consistent with my position.
So, kasi kung hindi man senador ang mag-file ng motion to dismiss, yun yung laman ng answer ni VP dun sa kanyang answer to the impeachment court summons. So, ang sabi ni Atty. Tonggol kasi, yun daw yung unang i-decide ng impeachment court.
Hindi siya pwedeng magsabi kung ano yung unang i-decide ng impeachment court. Hindi nga siya miyembro ng impeachment court, no, bilang senator judge. Para sa akin, napakahalaga na wag tayong magpadiri-dali, wag tayong conclude right away because there is a trial going on. And we will decide as a court. There might be some decisions on the part of the court na maaring hindi ako agree, but the majority of the members ng as senator judges would go against my decisions, and I will respect that because isa lang ako sa miyembro ng korte.
So, bilang bihasa kayo sa rules, ano ba ang proseso? Di ba, nag-file sila ng answer to the impeachment court summons and then may reply ang Kamara. So, pag nag-convene ng impeachment court, trial na. Hindi nyo na itatakal yung kung ano man yung laman ng answer o kung ano man yung laman ng answer. So, trial proper na siya.
Ang una siguro for me, nakikita ko, and again, this is subject to change all the time kasi kung merong akong iniisip na babanggitin ko sa inyo na tingin ko ito yung uunahin, but then someone rises and move to deliberate or tackle something else at may majority vote siya, siyempre mauuna yan, no? So, for me, para sa akin, importante talaga yung ginawa ng impeachment court na i-issue yung una, wala ba talaga na 1-year ban. Can you imagine if we make a decision, for example lang, hypothetical, nag-decision ang court na i-convict. Kunyari lang, nag-decision na i-convict. And then all of a sudden, the Supreme Court came up with a decision na sabihin ng Supreme Court, unconstitutional because dun sa 1-year ban alone. For example lang, what's gonna happen? What would happen is, we will decide as a court on whether or not we would submit to the decision of the Supreme Court. Diba? Ganon din yung nangyari dun sa corona impeachment. So, importante na dun pa lang yung House may klaro ito dahil usual lagi na dinidiscuss in any deliberations na, not even in courts, in jurisdiction, di ba? Number 2, para sa akin, napakahalaga na yung 20th Congress makapag-elect ng kanilang prosecutors. Dahil yung 19th Congress prosecutors, nag-end na yung kanilang karakter bilang prosecutor ngayong June 30. Not a lawyer, but I think it's very clear. Yung dalawa nga, di ba, hindi po nanalo. So, I don't think they will be part of the 20th Congress prosecution team. So, yun po, kailangang dahil I'm sure kung hindi po yun ikaklaro ng House, I'm sure, kahit iklaro yun ng House, i-raise sigurado yun ng defense team ng Vice Presidente.
Senator, sa inyo, hindi dapat yung any motion to dismiss, dapat proceed with the trial after na ma-comply ng House yung order.
Yes, for me, I don't know if it is still vague to some individuals yung provision ng Constitution, yung initiation, exclusive sa House, trial, exclusive sa Senate. for me, parang napaka-clear nun. We need to have a trial.